Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to claim the credit for other dependents on Turbotax in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic, so let's just jump straight into it. The first step is going to be to determine your eligibility. So go ahead and determine if you're eligible for the credit based on your income, your family size, as well as other factors. Once you've determined that you're eligible, go ahead and gather your necessary documents. You want to collect your dependents information, including income statements and other relevant documents such as dependents information, income statements, and social security number for dependents. Once you have those documents, go ahead and log into Turbotax. Go on Turbotax's website and log into your account using your email address and your password. And once you're signed in, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to claim the credit for. And then you're going to choose credits from the menu, and then select credit for other dependents as your credit type. Next, you're going to enter your credit information, including your dependents information, income, as well as other relevant details. Now once that's done, you can go ahead and claim the credits based on your eligibility and credit information. Yeah, that's pretty much it on how to claim the credit for other dependents on Turbotax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.